Okay, so let's look at carbon dioxide. Now, carbon dioxide is naturally occurring in the atmosphere. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide, animals breathe out carbon dioxide. Now, how is it prepared in the lab? Basically, in the lab, it is prepared using Kip's apparatus. And it is prepared by the action of dilute acid on marble or limestone. Another name for this compound is marble or limestone, or the IUPAC name calcium triisocarbonate 4. So when it reacts, it's going to give us calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. So this is how we prepare it in the lab. Now let's look at the physical properties of carbon dioxide. What are the physical properties of carbon dioxide? The physical properties of carbon dioxide includes, number one, let's look about the taste. It has a sharp, refreshing taste. Sharp, refreshing taste. Let's look about the color. It is colorless. And it is odorless. Another physical property of carbon dioxide, it is denser than air. Denser than air. It is soluble in water. It's soluble in water and it solidifies as a dry ice. It solidifies as a dry ice. Dry ice. This is why it is used as a refrigerant. You know your what do they call them? All these cooling van people. It is used as a dry ice. What actually is the cooling van? Is a product of carbon dioxide. Dry ice. Carbon dioxide that have solidified. We call it dry ice or white ice. So it is used as a refrigerant. Now let's look at the uses of carbon dioxide. What are the various uses of carbon dioxide? Number one, it is used as a refrigerant. It is used as a refrigerant because it solidifies as a dry ice. Again, it is used in making dough to rise, or it is used by bakeries. Why? Because it helps to make dough to rise. It is used as a baking powder in making dough to rise by bakeries. Again, carbon dioxide is used by shelled animals. It is used by shelled animals to make their shells. Again, it is used as a fire extinguisher. It is used in making fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Why? Because it does not support combustion. I forgot to put it here. It doesn't support combustion. Carbon dioxide does not support combustion. Hence, it is used in making fire extinguisher. Again, it is used in making carbonated drinks. Carbonated or aerated drinks. Carbonated drinks are drinks like Pepsi, Fanta, La Casera, all those carbonated drinks. Yeah, it is used in making the carbon dioxide is used in making them simply because it has a sharp, refreshing taste. So these are the uses of carbon dioxide.